Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable aim assist in Delta Force. To enable and adjust aim assist in Delta Force, launch open the game first on your device, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right. This will then open up the settings menu. Click on basic from the left inside menu, and under combat, make sure that you have selected on under aim assist. Once you tap on under aim assist, and right after you do that, you can easily have an easier time aiming throughout the game. So that is how you easily enable aim assist in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.